You're a silly guy. Got your mama's tongue. You can get it from me. You slowing down there.
I'm gonna have to get some DVDs and burn you these home videos.
What time is it, do you know?
Yeah, hold on. If I can find my phone.
You say 4:30?
No, I don't think it's that late. 3:42. Do you want it to be 4:30?
Maybe.
She said the party's till 7 on the invitation.